In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion HR and people operations dashboard. We're going to create a clean, organized workspace that helps you manage employee information, hiring, onboarding, and important HR resources all in one place. The goal here is to make your people operations easier to maintain and much easier to navigate as your team grows. Start by creating a main HR and people operations dashboard in Notion. This will act as your central hub, so keep the layout simple and easy to scan. You can add a clear title at the top and create sections for employees, hiring, onboarding, and policies. Think of this page as the home base for everything related to HR. A well-structured dashboard saves time and helps everyone find what they need without digging through multiple pages. Next, add an employee database. This database should include key details such as employee names, roles, departments, and start dates. Keeping this information in one searchable place makes it much easier to manage headcount, understand team structure, and quickly reference important details. As you build it, make sure the properties are labeled clearly so the database stays useful over time. After that, create a hiring tracker. This should function as a pipeline for applicants and interview stages, allowing you to see where each candidate is in the hiring process. A visual layout works especially well here because it gives you an instant overview of active candidates and what needs attention next. This is helpful for staying organized and making sure no applicant gets lost in the process. Then add onboarding checklists for new team members. These checklists can help standardize the onboarding experience and ensure important tasks are completed consistently. For example, you'll want a clear structure so onboarding can be tracked step by step. This makes the process smoother not only for HR, but also for managers and new employees joining the team. You'll also want to create a dedicated area for company policies, benefits, and HR documents. Storing these materials in one place makes them easier to access and update. It also gives your team a reliable reference point for important internal information. Keeping this section organized is especially valuable as policies evolve over time. Once those core sections are in place, create filtered views for your data. Set up views by department, employee status, or hiring stage so you can quickly focus on the information that matters most in a given moment. Filtered views make the same database far more flexible and practical for day-to-day use. Finally, review and update the dashboard regularly. An HR system only stays effective if it reflects current information. By keeping the dashboard maintained, you'll create a reliable, organized people operations workspace that supports your team more efficiently.